Finally made it to our destination. It's the waterfall. We're all, I'm sure we're all pretty tired. The hike was pretty hectic. A lot of mud. A lot of mud. A lot of moisture. It's beautiful. We're all taking pictures. I think we might stay here for a little bit. Enjoy the scenery. Take off, head back. There's another trail that we could take, which would take us north. We've just gone east, and it brought us here. This is beautiful. This is amazing. Yeah, everybody's just kind of chilling now. We'll see you guys when we do something else cool.